Yeah. DJ
BUMMA production.
Life is like a GPS.
DJ BUMMA.
Before the music start, let me tell you something. Life is like a GPS. Sometimes you think you know where you're going. Sometimes you think you have everything figured out. Then life takes a turn. You leave Jamaica, you come to a foreign land. You leave family, you leave friends, you leave memories, and you start over. Some people you trust become strangers. Some strangers become family. Some women come into your life for a season. Some women come into your life for a reason. Some friends walk with you through the storm.
Some friends disappear when the rain starts falling.
But every road teaches a lesson. Every setback teaches a lesson. Every heartbreak teaches a lesson. Every blessing teaches a lesson. That's why I say
Life is like a GPS.
when you take the wrong road, life says
Recalculating.
when somebody betray you, life says
Recalculating.
when a relationship doesn't work, life says
Recalculating.
when a door closes,
Life says recalculating.
because your destination is still ahead. This is my story, a husband, a father, a man blessed with 5 beautiful children. A man who work hard, a man who made mistakes, a man who learned lessons, a man who discovered that the real always stand and the fake always run. No hate, no bitterness, just lessons to all the women that came and went, to all the men that came and went, to all the friends that came and went. Thank you. Some more lessons.
Some more blessings.
DJ
BUMMA production.
La, la, la.
Life is like a GPS.
Life is like a GPS.
Life is like a GPS.
Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Fresh from Jamaica with a dream in me hand. Searching for a better life in a foreign land. Never know the roads, never understand the plan. Just faith in me heart and determination. Whole nights, long days, trying to survive. Working every job just to keep the dream alive. Many times me stumble but me still strive. Thanking Father God every day that I'm alive.